gonna go ahead and DIY this stool. This stool I got from I got this stool from the Goodwill, and I paid $3 for it. Okay, so I got this stool from the Goodwill, and it has wheels. It has wheels on the bottom of it, so it moves. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint it black, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take off the top, this top, so that I can spray paint the whole entire chair. Then this chair does not have any storage on the inside, but the top is like not screwed on anymore. So I'm definitely gonna glue the top seat back on so that I'm not falling off the damn chair when I'm trying to do my makeup. So let's just go ahead and get started. I knew I should have brought my thing. Why didn't I bring it? I looked at it and I said, girl, grab your stand. I did not grab it. But anyways, I'm gonna just go ahead and do this with y'all. Figure this out. Let me find something that I can prop this camera up on, since I did not bring my stand. Okay, let's figure this out. Okay, wait. I might be on to something. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, we're in there. Okay, so let me go get a stool. It might be screwed on, y'all. Oh, it is. Okay, so I just discovered that this top is screwed on. So I'm definitely just about to unscrew it. Let me see if I can find a screw. Hopefully these screws come out. But we about to find out. Let me see. Cry baby, suck your mama titty. Roll. Don't step on. Move. So finished spray painting. Now we're gonna go ahead, let this dry. Spray painting. We're gonna go ahead and let it dry, and we're gonna reupholster the top. So let's go and do that. Okay, so I got this little piece of fabric out of Walmart. It's Waverly, a little fabric company, whatever. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cover my top of my little dirty ass stool with this. So I'm just gonna go ahead, get right into it. Why in the hell To this thing say it got 1 minute. What the hell? I'm trying to figure out how. This gonna be real fucking simple. Real simple. I'm just gonna take this fabric, fold it down like that. This all you need. I guess it would depend on how much fabric or whatever it is you got. But I'm just gonna take this and start in the corner, and then I'll cut off the excess because I don't really want it to be too much. Saying 0 minutes no more. I don't know what the hell that was about, but I appreciate it. Okay, so I'm gonna just go back in and keep on gluing this fabric down. No, it don't have to be perfect because nobody's gonna see this part. It's gonna go underneath, so who cares? No one cares. No one's gonna see it. Okay? So it doesn't have to be perfect unless you're one of those perfect patties. Unless you're one of those perfect patties and your shit got to be perfect. I'm just letting you know it don't have to be, because nobody who is texting me, because nobody's gonna see this part. Like I said, if you're one of those perfect patties, then you can make it perfect all you want. But I ain't got time. I ain't got no time. So I'm just gonna glue mine down. Okay. So this looks pretty good. Look at it. It's really good. That looks really good. Not so much on this side, but so what? That looks good. So let's go ahead and check on our let's check on our stool and see if it's ready. And I'll be right back. Okay, my stool is dry, honey. Let me go ahead and take it, girl. I had to use your tarp. You'll be alright, girl. Your tarp that I got for you, I had to use it, girl. Girl, I ain't had no choice. Oh, did I spray paint the wrong side? Oh, fuck. What, bitch? You cute. You real cute. Big ass mic. Huh? Alright, so it is dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it all together. I got my stool seat right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it all together now. All right, so that's good. Excuse me, Roro. Excuse me. Y'all forget Roro. He can't see. But anyways, all right, so this the stool. We redid the whole thing. Y'all remember how it looked. Now we're going to go ahead. Move, Roro. Now we're going to go ahead and take it back to the house and finish with our vanity. We're gonna finish setting up our vanity, so to be continued.